Hi guys, in this video series we'll be going over how to build a Twitter clone application using React.js, GraphQL, and MongoDB. This application is a small clone of Twitter. It does not have the full functionality of Twitter, but it has some of the core features such as being able to log in with the auth 2, being able to post tweets, being able to read tweets from others or yourself, and being able to switch between light and dark mode. So without further ado, I'll give a quick demo of this application. So we have a login modal here. I have some test accounts here, and now we can see the home page. And we have a list of tweets all the way going down from the last to the first, and we can see our tweets. And if we want to post a tweet, we can say hi, how's the weather? And we wait a second and it updates in real time. So your username, this is my current username, will post that tweet to the Twitter page. So now we can also switch between light and dark mode. These functionalities are not fully developed, but they will be in subsequent versions. For now, it's just focusing on the main functionality, which is posting tweets and displaying tweets. And then we have the log out button. So if we log in with a different account, we can see the other person's tweets as well. So yeah, so this is the application that we're going to build in this video series. And so let's get to the list of technologies that are needed. So you'll need, hold on, let me pull up my chart here. So yeah, so this is how the application is going to be based on. Basically, you have the front end as React, you have the back end as a GraphQL server, which is a type of GraphQL server. It's a type of server similar to Express. So think of this like almost as a Node.js Express server, but suited to GraphQL. It uses Express.js, but this is the wrapper class, and the database is MongoDB. So this is what we'll be using as our database. And also make sure to install MongoDB and optionally MongoDB Compass from this URL right here. Yeah, just type MongoDB download, and the first thing that comes up should be this one. Just pick the version and the operating system that matches. I picked Community Edition Windows because that suits my needs. And if you can, it's preferable that you have MongoDB Compass installed. And this is because it gives you a very nice interface that you can check your database tables in real time. So this is my database table right here. And you can see all my database information. So yeah, so get those two installed if you haven't already. And then next, let's go over to the Github repo for this project. So this is the URL. I'll paste this in the video description so you can check it out as well. Just go to branch 1, basic structure, and click on download zip. This will download a zip file up to your computer. And once that's downloaded, just extract it to a folder location. Then go to your favorite code editor, mine being VS Code. Just click add folder to workspace, and then just find that project, which is right there. So right there, we'll find that project and then extract it, or add it rather, to this application. And now that this folder has been added, we can give a basic demo of our explanation of what it contains. So this is the client folder, this is the React, and this is the source folder. So this is just a basic create React app. And the server has a package.json. It's missing a index.js file currently. So let's create that. Index.js, and this is be our entry point file, and then we can see our schema.graphql, our resolvers, middleware. So these files are pertaining to GraphQL. They'll be used to do queries, mutations, and subscriptions with GraphQL. And then we have our database models used to represent the database tables for the user tweets and comments models for this application. So that's going to be it for this part of the video. Just want to give a basic structure and set up your environment so that we can begin. In the next part of this video series, I'll be going over how to build the server-side application. So the server application will be developed. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next part.